The wind and the sun. What is the wind, children? The wind is more amount of air. If we get more amount of air at once, we call it as wind. Sun, we know it. We know the sun is daily we see the sun. Okay, now let us go into a poem. The wind and the sun are talking to each other. Let us see what they are talking. Now, wind is saying to sun, Sun, can you see the man walking down the road? I can get his coat off more quickly than you. Now, wind noticed someone walking on the road. It is asking the sun also to see the person walking on the road. The wind is also saying the sun that it can make the man remove his coat more quickly than the sun. Did you observe the picture, children? There the wind and sun are talking to each other and they both are observing the man walking on the road. Now let us see who will make the man remove his coat first. Now the sun is smiling and giving the first chance to wind. Now let us see what the sun is saying. Sun, smiling with a smiling face, it is saying, we will see who is stronger. I will let you try first. Sun gave the first chance to wind. Now the wind started filling his cheeks with the air and started blowing off onto that man so hard. Oof, it's saying. How? It's blowing all the air over so hard towards that person. Children, in this picture, can you notice that wind blowing so hard onto that man? Now the man started talking to himself. He is saying, my God, today the wind is so strong. It is blowing off my coat. So what should I do is, I should hold my coat tight, he is saying, and he is holding the coat very tight round himself. Seeing the man holding his coat tight, the wind started blowing still more harder. When the wind started blowing so hard, what did the man do? He pulled his coat still more tight, saying, how cold it is. Now in this picture we can see when the wind started blowing so hard, see how the man is holding his coat so tight. Now the wind felt that it cannot make the man open his coat, and so what did the wind do? It gave the chance to sun. What did the wind say? Sun, I give up. I cannot get his coat off. Now it is sun's turn. He started shining harder. The sun started shining hard and made the man feel hotter and hotter. As it is so hot outside, man started wiping his face and he removed his coat. Children, in this picture we can say clearly that the sun is shining and the man is wiping his face. He removed his coat because it is so hot. And the wind is feeling so sad because it is not able to make the man remove his coat. And now finally the sun won. The sun only made the man remove his coat. Now the sun is saying wind that sun won and sun only made the man remove his coat. Adapted from Aesop's Fables. Children, now what is the moral of the story? The wind pouted, huffed and puffed, but eventually he accepted his defeat. The moral of the story is anger and force won't melt any ice, but gentleness and warmth can do the job.